Stationery Pad is a hidden yet handy way to streamline your workflow if you regularly use document templates on your Mac. This Finder feature allows a file's parent application to automatically create a copy when launched, keeping the original file unedited. Despite being an often overlooked feature, Stationery Pad is a great alternative to manually editing templates and using the Save As command, which can lead to accidental overwriting of the original file due to carelessness. With Stationery Pad, almost any file type can serve as a template. This feature simplifies Photoshop projects, facilitates creating skeleton HTML or CSS files, and assists with Word document invoicing, making repetitive tasks more efficient. To use Stationery Pad, first create the file that you want to use as a template, then follow this step-by-step guide. Firstly, find the file in Finder that users desire to use as a template. Now, right-click the file and tap Det Info in the contextual drop-down menu. Instead, tap the file to choose it and use the Command+I keyboard shortcut for the Get Info option. Check out the Stationery Pad checkbox placed under the General section. Select the red traffic light button to exit the Get Info window. Next time users are required to double-click the template file, Finder will create and launch its copy, ensuring that the original document is untouched.